Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to export QuickBooks data to Excel. This process allows you to analyze your financial information outside of QuickBooks. We'll cover exporting different report types and customizing your data for specific needs. You'll find this skill incredibly useful for detailed analysis and sharing information. Let's dive right into the steps for a smooth export. To begin, open the specific report you wish to export directly in QuickBooks Desktop. Look for the Excel button, usually found at the top of the report window. Clicking this button will present you with options. You can either create a brand new Excel worksheet or update an existing one with your current report data. It's a straightforward process.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like it. Quick recommendation. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life easier. You can find the link for this amazing product and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
When exporting, selecting Create New Worksheet gives you the most control. This option allows you to customize exactly what data goes into Excel. You can choose which columns to include or exclude, ensuring only relevant information is transferred. Furthermore, apply filters to refine your data even before it leaves QuickBooks, saving you time later. This ensures your Excel file is perfectly tailored. Once your data is in Excel, remember to save the file to a location you can easily access. Now, the real power of Excel comes into play. You can use its extensive features for in-depth analysis, creating charts and performing complex calculations. This also makes sharing your financial reports with colleagues or advisors incredibly simple and efficient. It's a versatile solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.